Hello there. I'm a tiny drop of saliva hanging out in one of your salivary glands. It's a bit cramped in here with all my siblings, but we're a tight-knit bunch, always ready to leap into action. Our moment arrives when you, our dear host, encounter something delicious. The mere sight of a juicy burger or the aroma of freshly baked cookies sends signals to our headquarters, the brain. The brain, in its infinite wisdom, then sends a message back to us. Prepare for action, little droplets. Food is coming. And with that, we are squeezed out of our gland and into your mouth. We don't have much time to admire the scenery, though. Our work here is important, and it starts the moment we hit your tongue. Our mission is simple yet crucial, to help you break down your food and send it on its merry way down your digestive tract. It's a big job for a little droplet, but we're up for the challenge. After all, we're packed with powerful tools to get the job done. Don't let our size fool you. We may be small, but we come equipped with an arsenal of enzymes, ready to tackle any food that comes our way. One of our most important weapons is amylase. This little guy is a starch slayer, breaking down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars that your body can easily digest. Then there's lingual lipase, another powerful enzyme in our arsenal. This one takes on the task of breaking down fats, particularly those found in milk. It's a crucial enzyme for infants, helping them digest their mother's milk, but it continues to play a role in fat digestion throughout life. But we're not just about breaking down food, we also play a crucial role in protecting your mouth from harmful bacteria. We contain antimicrobial agents that keep those nasty microbes in check, preventing them from causing infections or tooth decay. As the food enters your mouth, we spring into action, swarming over it like eager ants at a picnic. We moisten and lubricate the food, making it easier to chew and swallow. Our enzymes get to work, breaking down starches and fats, while our antimicrobial agents fight off any lurking bacteria. The more you chew, the better we can do our job. As the food breaks down into smaller pieces, our enzymes have more surface area to work on, making digestion more efficient. But our role isn't limited to just breaking down food. We also play a crucial role in taste perception. By dissolving food molecules, we allow them to interact with your taste buds, sending signals to your brain that help you perceive flavors. So the next time you savor the sweet taste of chocolate or the tangy flavor of citrus, remember to thank your saliva. Section 4. Down the hatch, a slippery slide. Once the food has been thoroughly chewed and mixed with saliva, it's time for its journey down the esophagus. We help form the food into a soft, slippery ball called a bolus, making it easier to swallow. As the bolus travels down the esophagus, we continue to lubricate its path, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. Our journey, however, ends here. The esophagus is as far as we go. The stomach, with its highly acidic environment, is not a place for delicate droplets like us. But our job is done. We've played our part in preparing the food for its next stage of digestion. As we bid farewell to the bolus, we can't help but feel a sense of pride. We may be small and often overlooked, but we play a vital role in the digestive process. Section 5. A lasting contribution. Though our journey ends in the esophagus, our contribution to digestion continues. The enzymes we've mixed with the food continue to work as it reaches the stomach, breaking down starches and fats. Our lubrication ensures that the food moves smoothly through the digestive tract, preventing any discomfort or blockages. So, the next time you take a bite of your favorite food, remember the tiny but mighty droplets of saliva that are working hard to make that experience possible. We may be small, but we are essential for digestion and overall health. We are the unsung heroes of digestion, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy and nourished. So here's to us, the humble drops of saliva. May we forever be appreciated for the vital role we play